Namaste from India, the world's fastest growing economy, and from Gujarat, India's model state for all-round growth. Propelling the Gujarat growth engine forward is Kataria Group. Welcome to Kataria Group, a major conglomerate with a legacy of over 6 decades and India's second largest Suzuki Motors selling group. We are a family of over 7,000 dedicated workforce who have collectively served around 1 million gratified customers with a turnover of over $600 million. The Kataria Group has spread its wings in various sectors like automobiles, insurance, logistics, infrastructure, and renewable energy. Kataria Automobiles is Western India's fastest growing automobile selling group.
We are proud to be associated with leading global OEM partners such as Suzuki, Porsche, Daimler and Honda. We enjoy the trust and loyalty of 1 million customers, and our family is ever growing.
Our impressive strides in the automobile dealership arena stem in equal parts from our customers' unflinching trust, earned the only way we know, by providing the best-in-class car solutions.
Customer centricity is at the very heart of Kataria Group. We aspire to touch base with customers in all possible ways to ensure customers' delight. Customer satisfaction is the very backbone of our business.
Over the years, we have been felicitated with numerous awards and accolades. Kataria Insurance was incorporated in 2014 in Gujarat. The company offers a range of insurance products like vehicle insurance, health insurance, and all general insurance products. A dedicated staff enables us to provide 360-degree insurance solutions to our customers. K-Log Global provides highly professional logistics services across the country. We specialize in the movement of heavy-duty odd-sized cargo, turbines, furnaces, etc. through our advanced transport fleet. We are the preferred logistics partners of India's leading corporates like Adani, Suzuki Motors, BHEL, Hindustan Petroleum and ONGC, to name a few. Established in the year 2008, Kataria Infrastructure Private Limited has made its mark through its intuitively constructed commercial and industrial spaces. The magnificent Kataria Arcade was KIPL's first individual project. With an ample land bank in the city and impressive milestones achieved early on, the future of this vertical appears very exciting. With big ambition, Kataria Group has just forayed into renewable energy through windmills. The group will also venture into energy solutions for automotive industry. These will generate electricity for partial captive consumption within the group.
मैं अपने ग्रुप की सफलता का क्रेडिट अपने एम्प्लॉय को देता हूं। कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन की वजह से हम प्रगति के मार्ग पे आगे से आगे बढ़ने की चेष्टा करते जा रहे हैं।
By leveraging our internal capabilities, we are all set to diversify into automotive manufacturing, mobility and energy solutions. We are striving for the best-in-class technology partnerships across the globe.